Hi all, welcome to Programmers Divine. This section is what's new. So we are going to see about data science in this section. We are going to see about the data science roadmap of 2024. So we will see all the detailed things here. This thing is knowledge of mathematics and statistics, so which is important because data science has a lot of statistics and probability knowledge, needs a probability knowledge. Programming, second point is programming. Programming, we need to explain, we need to have good knowledge on Python, R and SQL. Python and R, any one programming language is okay, but any one of that is a must one, so we need to have a good knowledge on that language. For data science, third one is Excel. So Microsoft Excel is a powerful and versatile tool which is used for data analysis and management. Fourth one is database and SQL. So SQL is extremely important for data science as we are handling lots of data that are stored in the database. As a data scientist, so we need to manipulate and extract more data. So big data tools like Hadoop and Spark also need good SQL knowledge to handle all those data. As data science consists of big data also, so we need to have good knowledge on SQL. Fifth one is data analysis. As a data analysis is important for a big data scientist. We need to analyze the data using our tools like Excel or SQL. We can make useful information, make conclusions, and support decision making based on that only. And data visualization. So many data visualization tools are here to show the data as charts, graphs, and maps, to show the visual part and understand the data sets easily. Seventh one is machine learning. So machine learning automates the process of data analysis and go further to predict based on the collected data, large amount of data we collected. Deep learning. So deep learning is part of machine learning, so which will be used to identify patterns and trends in the big data sets. Ninth one is CV, NLP, and GANs. So CV should highlight the proficiency of data mining, machine learning, and statistical analysis. NLP is natural language processing, which is used for artificial intelligence and data science, natural language processing. And third one is generative adversarial network, GAN. It's a deep learning architecture, so it trains two neural networks to compete against each other to generate more authentication new data for a given training data set. 10th one is big data and cloud. So big data and cloud are part of data science. So big data will handle large amount of collections which are unstructured in nature. So apart from the structured data structure, so structured data we have Oracle and other databases. For non-structured data, semi-structured, unstructured data, so we can go for big data which will handle all those data, and we can go for cloud for multiple storage of the information that we got in the data science. So 11th one is project portfolios and resume, so we can add all our projects and technological knowledges in the resume. Last point is interview preparation, so we will start interview preparation based on the knowledge we get and got a placement of data science. Thanks for watching Programmers Divine. Please subscribe my channel.